you can't complain.
Campervans, campervans, campervans. We've got a different today. We've got a Volkswagen. Look at that. Volkswagen Transporter T30 with a pop top. So you can actually stand up in it. Now this one's a beauty. It's a 2012 Volkswagen. As I said, T30.
Keepsake in the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it fast forward, but
As I said, T30. Tow bar on the back. And underneath here is where you put your hookup in, which I've already done. So I'll just show you the back. Fire extinguisher. And then what we've got in here, it's just only cold water, but we fill the water in here. There's a submersible pump that we put in, and then that's how we get our water coming through. We come round to the other side, where we put the diesel, and let's have a look. Little camper van. So we have the rock and roll bed. Obviously that pulls out, which I'll show you in a bit, that makes up into a bed. We have the control panel here. So we've got the battery charger. That's charging up the leisure battery while we've got the hookup in. Basically, to charge up the leisure battery, this switch must be on van. We've also got a pump there, battery condition, and we've got our 12 volt fuses. And then across here we have our 230. Now, what we have on this van is we have our gas. We'll just switch that on now. Next to that, we have a microwave. Again, the microwave can only be used when we have got the hookup in. Now, we've switched the pump on, and we've got cold water coming through. And then we have our hobs, 2 burner hobs. There's one. There's 2. And then down here, we have our 12 volt fridge. So we switch it on there. Now it is a compressor fridge, and it also has a little freezer compartment. So it is a 12 volt fridge, compressor fridge. And the way these work is once they get up to temperature, they do switch off. And then obviously as you open it and the temperature rises, it switches back on again and gets back to the desired temperature. Great fridges these are as well. Now, an added bonus, we've got the pop top roof, and then we can push this down here, which has a bed above, and we can show you that. So there's a good sized bed there. More for children though, really. So now we'll make the bed up. So there, we've got a lever here. Comes forward. Another lever. That takes that over. We'll pull this lever up, which drops that down. And that lever makes that up. And now we make the bed back again. This lever takes that one up. This one takes that. And that lever drops that down. So it's a Volkswagen Transporter T30 manual, 5-speed, 2-litre diesel with the Pioneer media pack. And this one's done 73,000 miles on a 2012. The weight's 3,000 kilograms. Volkswagen Transporter. Nice bit of prep area for making your butties. We've got the hobs, we've got the fridge, which is probably all we need for this size van. We've got a little sink for doing some pots, pans, washing your face. The added bonus of having the microwave, and we've got the curtains as well. We have the option as well with the bed above, and I do like the pop top because it makes it easier to stand up all around. There isn't an awful lot really to show you on the workings of this van, because all it is, we've got the leisure battery which is under the driver's seat. So Volkswagen Transporter camper van.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake.